And the prophecy read that one day, like the phoenix arose from the ashes, that a boy would be born unto a family in the slums. This boy would go on to use the knowledge he gained while fighting for survival in his streets to become a great leader. And in time, that boy would grow to become king!
Hey everyone, this is Cool Cat Curtis with the unboxing video for Variares or Variares and Scythe Kronos. I won't get into it too much because I just got it. It's been sitting in the Canada customs for quite a long time. Been waiting for this. It's been sitting in there for like a couple months now because this is the pre-release version, the one that a kid his daddy got for his video. So yes, just not gonna talk anymore except to show you the parts. Here's King, and yeah, I'm kind of rushing this right now. So excited. Ow. Stickers first. Tool. Instructions. I won't even get into that. Probably seen this before. Videos done this already by other people. Oh, okay. Here's the switching tip. Should probably. There we go. Pull it out, push it back in. And yeah. Cord. Oh yeah, that's DD. Probably didn't mention that. Kind of rushing this. Probably mentioned that. Here is the double-sided launcher. Left prongs. Just click on. Not even gonna get into that. Not even kidding, this camera's about to die. I'll just leave it there. Okay. Right. Anyway, I have a friend named Subasa Uriti who is really excited about this bay. You guys should all sub him. He's a pretty cool guy. Alright, here is Variares. The movable parts. 40 face. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, there it is. There we got it. Very nice. Scythe Kronos. I have no idea how long this battery will last, so sorry if it's a bad unboxing video. I'll make up for it with my little intro and outro. So hope you guys still enjoy. put this one over there. Kronos. Oh, that's sweet. Alright. Whoops. Sweet, very shiny. Pearly T125 and Eternal Defense Sharp tip. Very nice, very nice. My idea was the metal wheel free spinning. Probably will come up in Nemesis. There we go. Scythe Kronos and Variares. Same. Oh, right. Can't forget those. Dang. Hope I didn't do a crappy job on the unboxing video. Stickers. And other stickers. Where'd they go? Alright. Thanks everybody for coming along on this adventure with me. And yeah. Pretty cool. Variares and Scythe Kronos. There you have it. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks.